How to send fake snaps on Snapchat without a filter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send fake snap or how you can send a picture from your gallery as a snap on Snapchat. Now, if you open up Snapchat app, if you try to send a picture from your gallery or camera roll, then the picture will be sent as a chat. Now I don't have a picture here, but I'll just take a quick screenshot here, set as a picture. And if I head into my camera roll here and select the picture, if I try to send it, it will be sent as a chat. Now I'll just show you quickly by sending it right here. And if I head back and head into the chat here, you can see it'll be sent as a chat. If you want to send it as a snap, you'll have to add a filter. Now if you don't want to add a filter and send it as a snap, what you want to do is first head into your app store and search for the app OVF editor. Simply tap on it and download it, and once you download it, open it, and what you want to do here is select the photo or video from your gallery. I'll just select the image here. You can see the screenshot that I just took, and what you want to do is you can edit it. Once you finish your editing, what you can do is simply tap on the tick mark or done option at the top right corner and then tap on share. You can see the option popping up. Would you like to share the media with the Snapchat app? Simply tap on share and your picture will load up in Snapchat. And this time if you send this, now I'll just send this again here, it will be sent as a snap and not as a chat. Now you can see it's been delivered here, sending. So this way you can send fake snaps on Snapchat without a filter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.